Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a black and white movie birthday card. That's what I'm calling it. Black and white movie birthday card. So what you're going to need is a black marker for right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go across this just like this. There we go. There we go. So, the first part is now done. So what I need is I'm going to get a white paint pen, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark the letters down. So you can see how cool that really is. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here we go. So there we go. So there we go. Pretty cool, huh? Black and white movie birthday card. Black and white movie birthday card. Anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, click the bell for more notifications.